हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड से टॉपिक शुरू किया था। उसमें हमने फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शंस न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन देखे थे। वी डिस्कस अबाउट न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस इन लास्ट लेक्चर, इन विच वी डिस्कस अबाउट टोटल 9 सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस, 9 न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस। जो फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन था वो था हाइड्रोलिसिस बाय यूजिंग एक्वियस अल्कली। सेकंड, वी ट्रीट अल्किल हैलाइड्स विथ moist silver oxide, then we get alcohol. In first two reactions we convert alkyl halide into alcohol, first with reaction with aqueous alkali, second reaction is reaction with moist silver oxide, that is AgOH. In third reaction we prepare alkyl cyanides from alkyl halide by treating with alcoholic KCl. In fourth reaction we treat alkyl halides with silver cyanide, we get alkyl isocyanides. In fifth reaction we treat alkyl halides with in fifth reaction we treat alkyl halides with alcoholic ammonia and we prepare mixture of amines, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and quaternary ammonium salt. Sixth reaction is Williamson-Zither synthesis, in which we treat alkyl halides with sodium salts of alcohol, that is sodium alkoxide, and we get ether. Then we treat, in seventh reaction we treat alkyl halides with KNO2, and in that reaction we treat alkyl halides with AgNO2. In that reaction we get alkyl nitrite and nitroalkene respectively. Ninth and last nucleophilic substitution reaction we discuss about that is formation of esters. When we treat alkyl halides with silver salts of carboxylic acid we get esters. Today in this lecture we discuss about nucleophilic substitution we discuss about elimination reactions of alkyl halides. In last lecture we discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions. Today we discuss about elimination reactions of alkyl halides. In elimination only one reaction is there. This reaction is dehydrohalogenation reaction, or this reaction is also called as beta elimination or 1,2 elimination reaction. So what is the meaning of this 1,2 elimination or beta elimination? Since general reaction, here I write down example of alkyl halide, general example of alkyl halide, in which halogen attach, that carbon atom is called as alpha carbon and adjacent carbon is beta carbon. When such a alkyl halide is present in presence of alcoholic alkali, that is alcoholic KOH, here I take alcoholic alkali KOH, then OH minus ion of alcohol, OH minus ion of alcohol attacks on beta hydrogen, and therefore this bond delocalize to adjacent carbon atoms. That is, here this single bond is converted into double bond and this halogen molecule or halogen ion is eliminated to give side products H2O and KX. Since here OH minus attacks on this beta hydrogen to give H2O side product, and this X minus ion combines with that K plus ion to give KX side product, and due to this replacement of this single bond between these two carbon atoms, we get alkene as a product. Okay, now see example. Here I take example of 1-bromopropane. In case of 1-bromopropane, we know that formula CH3 CH2 CHBr. Sorry, here I writing mistake. CH3 CH2 CH2Br, 1-bromopropane. When this 1-bromopropane treated with alcoholic alkali, here this alcoholic word is important because when we treat alkyl halides with aqueous alkali, then substitution reaction takes place to give alcohol. First reaction in nucleophilic substitution reaction, you know that when we treat alkyl halides with alcoholic alkali, then elimination takes place to give alkene and side products water and metal halides. That is, if we take here NaOH, then we get NaBr. If here we take KOH, then we get KX, KBr, KCl, etc. etc. Okay, so in this reaction, this beta hydrogen abstracted by OH minus ion to give H2O side product, then this bond displaces between these two adjacent carbon atom to give alkene, which name is propene. Okay, and propene is a final product and side products are H2O and KBr. H2 obtained by this type of attack. OH minus attack this hydrogen to give H2O, and this Br minus ion combines with K plus to give KBr. Okay, this is example. Now important rule regarding that elimination reaction is Sedgwick's rule. What is this Sedgwick's rule? Since in dehydrohalogenation reaction of haloalkane, more substituted alkene obtained as a major product. Okay, when two beta hydrogens are present, that is when two beta carbon are present, then we apply this Sedgwick's rule. Since an example, here I take example of 2-bromobutane. In this example, we see here there are two types of carbon present on either side of this secondary carbon atom. Here this carbon atom is alpha carbon atom, and two beta carbons are available. This one also beta carbon and this one also beta carbon. Then from which carbon atom hydrogen will be displaced? The carbon atom, first carbon atom, this carbon atom, second, third, fourth. From which carbon atom we displaces hydrogen to get alkene? For about that confusion, this rule explains that when in dehydrohalogenation reaction of haloalkane, more substituted alkene obtained as a major product. That means जब दो बीटा कार्बन प्रेजेंट होंगे तब कौन से कार्बन पे से अपने को हाइड्रोजन निकालना है, इसके लिए ये Sedgwick's rule important है. This rule state that in dehydrohalogenation of this type of alkyl halide, we get more substituted alkene as a product. Since here two hydrogens are present, beta hydrogens are present, beta carbons are present, therefore two types of products are possible. If we displaces hydrogen from first carbon atom, this beta carbon atom, then we get but 1 in product. If we displaces hydrogen from this third carbon atom, according to IUPAC nomenclature, this carbon is at third number, therefore we get but 2 in product. So this rule explains that here in that case we get major product but 2 in. Okay, the statement of this rule is, what is statement of Sedgwick's rule? In dehydrogenation reaction of haloalkane, we get more substituted alkene as a major product. We know that alkene, since here I write down example, this alkene is mono-substituted alkene because only one alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atom. Okay, in this example it is di-substituted alkene. Here two alkyl groups attached to doubly bonded carbon atom, one for this carbon atom, one for this carbon atom. Okay, this is tri-substituted alkene. इस एग्जाम्पल में तीन अल्किल ग्रुप जोड़े हैं डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम को, इसलिए ये ट्राई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अल्किन है. एंड लास्ट वन इज टेट्रा सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अल्किन बिकॉज हियर on each doubly bonded carbon atom there are two alkyl groups attached, therefore total 4 alkyl groups are present on doubly bonded carbon atom, hence this alkene is tetra substituted alkene. This rule states that in dehydrohalogenation reaction more substituted alkene obtained as a major product. मतलब अगर दो प्रोडक्ट मिल रहे होंगे तो उसमें से जो ज़्यादा सब्स्टिट्यूटेड प्रोडक्ट होगा वो मेजर होगा. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट एग्जांपल ऑफ 2-bromobutane. Since in that example there are two beta carbon present on both side of this alpha carbon atom, that is the carbon atom to which bromine is attached. This carbon atom is alpha carbon atom according to common nomenclature, and according to IUPAC nomenclature this carbon atom is at second position. If hydrogen is removed from this beta carbon atom, then we get but-2-in, and this alkene is di-substituted alkene. And second possible product is but-1-in, in which only one alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atom, this carbon atom. Okay, only one alkyl group is attached, that is ethyl group, and in above product both doubly bonded carbon atoms attached to 1,1-methyl group. Therefore this alkene is di-substituted alkene and this alkene is mono-substituted alkene. So according to Sedgwick's rule, this but-2-in is major product and but-1-in is minor product. इस रिएक्शन में जो मेजर अल्किन होगा वो कौन सा अल्किन होगा, मेजर प्रोडक्ट अल्किन कौन सा होगा, जो ज़्यादा सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है. तो ये जो फर्स्ट अल्किन अपने को मिला है ये डाई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है, और ये जो सेकंड अल्किन मिला है वो मोनो सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है. देयरफॉर वी गेट this alkene as a major product. Okay, now I write down this statement again. थोड़ा सा सिंपल करके लिखा है यहाँ पे, ये जो रूल है वो, इन डिहाइड्रोलाइजेशन रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्किल हलाइड्स द मेजर प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन इज दैट अल्किन विच हैज़ ग्रेटर नंबर ऑफ अल्किल ग्रुप्स अटैच टू डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम्स। वही रूल है, सिर्फ सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखा है। फिर एक बार, in dehydrogenation reaction of alkyl halides, the major product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl groups attached to doubly bonded carbon atom. That is, if we get two products, one product is monosubstituted alkene and one product is disubstituted alkene, then disubstituted alkene is obtained in a major amount. Okay, if we take example of disubstituted alkene and trisubstituted alkene, then which alkene is major? If we take example, if we get two products which are in one product two alkyl groups are attached and in one product four alkyl groups are attached, then we get tetrasubstituted alkene as a major product. Okay, now we discuss about fourth reaction of alkyl halides, which is third reaction with metals. First we discuss nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. Second we discuss now I discuss about elimination reactions of alkyl halide, and third type of reaction in which alkyl halide takes part is reaction with metals. Since here reaction of alkyl halides with metals or reaction of haloalkane with metal. Since there are two reactions in which alkyl halides react with metals. First is reaction with magnesium metal. When alkyl halide treated with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, then we get alkyl magnesium halide. Simply addition reaction. This magnesium attached to alkyl halide RMgX. Okay, RMgX. Its common name is alkyl magnesium halide. Since here alkyl group, then magnesium, then halide. Hence it is called as alkyl magnesium halide, or its scientific name or its nickname is Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent used for preparation of alcohol by reduction of carbonyl compounds. I write down here, since Grignard reagent, that is GR, used for preparation of alcohols by reduction of carbonyl compounds. We see this application in next chapter, alcohol phenol ethers, and also in third chapter, aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid of organic chemistry in 12th standard syllabus. Okay, since here example, when methyl bromide treated with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then we get methyl magnesium bromide, which is a Grignard reagent. Okay, now second reaction with metal is Woods reaction. This reaction is already studied in 11th standard. Okay, already we discussed this reaction in 11th standard syllabus in alkene chapter, hydrocarbon chapter. Since here when alkyl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, then we get higher alkene. That is, smaller alkyl halide gives higher alkenes. Here condensation reaction takes place. Since I take example here, when two ethyl bromide molecules treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, then we get butane product. Okay, simply condensation reaction takes place. These two Br atoms are condensed with these two sodium metal atoms, and these two ethyl groups get attached to each other to give butane molecule. Simple, very simple reaction. Since here general reaction, R2Rx plus 2 sodium metal atom in presence of dry ether, we get alkene. That is, in this reaction, from smaller alkyl halides we get higher alkenes. ये जो रिएक्शन है इसमें क्या होता है, जो स्मॉलर अल्किल हलाइड्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे में कंबाइन होते हैं इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्राई ईथर सॉल्वेंट. व्हेन दे वो जो है वो सोडियम मेटल के साथ रिएक्ट होके हायर अल्केन तैयार करते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे जो एग्जांपल एक्सप्लेन किया है उसमें देखिए, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है इनडायरेक्टली, कन्वर्ट ब्रोमो इथेन टू ब्यूटेन. ब्रोमो इथेन से अपने को ब्यूटेन बनाना है तो क्या करना होगा, जो अल्किल हलाइड है, स्मॉलर अल्किल हलाइड, उसको सोडियम मेटल के साथ ट्रीट करके क्या मिलेगा अपने को, हायर अल्केन मिलेगा. मतलब ये जो दो अल्किल ग्रुप है वो एक दूसरे से कंडेंस होकर क्या बनाएंगे, हायर अल्केन प्रिपेयर करेंगे. मतलब अल्किल हलाइड में दो कार्बन है सिर्फ, और उससे हायर अल्केन फॉर्म हुआ. इसलिए स्मॉलर अल्किल हलाइड से हायर अल्केन प्रिपेयर करने के लिए ये मेथड यूज की जाती है. इस मेथड का नाम क्या है बच्चों, वुड्स रिएक्शन. इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. if question is asked that prepare alkane from alkyl halide, then this reaction is remembered by you. Okay, very important reaction. When we prepare alkane from alkyl halide by treating with sodium metal, then we get higher alkanes. When alkyl halide treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then we get higher alkane as a product. Okay, now these chemical properties of alkanes are over. In next video we discuss about aryl halides. Okay, thank you.